What's up, everyone? This is Clinton from God's Hand Studios, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to color correct and convert your footages from the Nikon ZR to the Rec.709 for color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this is not Adobe Premiere Pro Beta. That's the version that was recommended for color correcting and color grading your clips in. That's your Nikon ZR clip. But this is the normal Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. Just that it has to be the recent Adobe Premiere Pro, the 2026 version. So let's quickly launch Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. So now let's quickly create a new project file. Let me name this in the desktop so I can quickly delete. Let me say delete this, guys, because I'll be deleting it real soon, immediately after this tutorial. Okay, so quick disclaimer, guys, this video doesn't delve deep in how to color grade your footages to look professional. This is basically color correcting and preparing your footages for grading. So let's quickly import our footages. I shot some log and shot some raw, and the reason is very simple. The raw format takes a huge amount of space, so as the log format, but the raw is quite crazy, guys. So let's import this. So if you import your raw footages into Adobe Premiere Pro, it should look something like this. As you can see, guys, this is very raw, very flat. Quickly go to File, go to Project Settings, and Color here. So first thing is to check this Color Manage Auto Detected Log and Raw Media. Check this box. I think it was on broadcast, or I changed it to web, and next hit OK. As you can see, it's already converted, guys. It's quite very simple. Now my footage is already in the Rec.709 format for color grading, and just in case yours is not like this, I remember I made some changes to mine before I was able to get it to look like this. Quickly go to your lumetri panel, go to settings, then if it's still in use media color space, just go to overdrive media color space, then select red log. You understand, this should work whether you shot in R3D. I've not tried it for R3D, but I believe it will work. But this should work whether you shot in R3D or you shot in N-RAW. And also, you see those settings that we are in Adobe Premiere Pro Beta, it's still here as well. So just go ahead and do what you want to do. Put it in the red log 3G10/wide gamut, and it should get the problem solved. Thank you very much, guys, and hope this solves the problem. And one more thing, guys, just in case you are following this route, you don't have to be doing it per individual clip. Just quickly go to the project panel, Ctrl A to select the whole clips, right click, modify color, and still the same thing, go to override color space, then where is it, guys? Yeah, red, and hit OK, and you should have your colors fixed. Sweet for color grading. And I recently purchased the Nikon ZR on Tuesday, and I must say I'm happy with the result, even though the file sizes are very large. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't, because we'll be posting more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.